A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake hit 34 kilometers, 21 miles, away from Oia, South Aegean, Greece, in the late afternoon of Friday, May 23, 2025 at 7:21 p.m. local time, GMT+3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, Raspberry Shake after 1 minute. The earthquake occurred 2 days after a magnitude 3.1 earthquake had hit on Wednesday, May 21, 2025, at 1:32 p.m. GMT+3 local time, in 71 kilometers, 44 miles, distance to the west. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Aegean.